I've seen people who pick up LOD2 on day 1 of their preparation, week 1 of their preparation, first round of the preparations, are able to solve 95% of the questions on LOD2. And the flip side is I've seen people who pick up LOD1 and can solve only 10% questions. The good part is that both these people have an endpoint. They both can qualify the exam, right? So you don't need to worry about, of course, if you are in that 95% wala category, people who can solve 95% first time, then obviously your aims and quants will be very different. You will try to aim to get to a score which is at least 80-85% of the score of the section, because quants is one of the large scoring sections in the exam. You will try to make sure that you get to 90-95 percentile overall only on your quant score, so that the other sections give you the remaining jump. But what about the other people? The other people who are at 5%, 10%, 20% to start with can only solve that much. There is a path for you also. So of course, the objective cannot be to score 80% the CAT. Your objective in the section will obviously be to defend the section. Make sure that you are not missing out of the section cutoff. And your objective will be maybe to solve 12, 13, 15 questions in around 40 minutes. 12 questions in 40 minutes. Your objective will be to become a 3-minute solver of a question. Whereas for the guy who's trying to max the score on this section, he's trying to become a 1.5 minute per question solver. If you belong to the poorer category, your objective will be this.